Hi, my name is Haifa. According to my project, I will present a strategy and accounting analysis about TEN Holding Limited. In this presentation, we will discuss three elements: general information, strategy analysis, and accounting analysis. Even though TEN has three channels, it forms just 22% of the market shares. TEN is in the third place after 7 Holding Limited with 38% and 9 Channel with 27%. After understanding TEN's position, we are going to talk about strategies. Revenues from media business comes from advertising, and most asset generated by copyrights, which has to be maintained and renewed. Copyrights either comes from buying programs or by producing their own programs. It is estimated that revenue growth will reach almost 10% in media industry during the next 10 years, as the graph show us. That estimate would grab more competitors to the market. Therefore, TEN has to develop their programs and strategies in order to maintain its position in the market. In order to maintain their position, TEN had to cope with the technology because it is the biggest threat. For that, TEN adopts interactive websites for viewers. Moreover, they launch a high-definition channels. The main source for the company is by broadcasting advertisement and receiving voting SMS. Moreover, to increase viewers' loyalty, TEN's employees participate in volunteers' work in the Australian community. However, there are threats comes from competitors. For instance, a video-on-demand device was released by a competitor that affects TEN's position in the market. Last point is accounting analysis. If we want to evaluate accounting quality, we have to look at noises from accounting rules, forecast error, and accounting choices by managers. We will highlight some of the important issues. According to AASB, it is implemented to reflect all the financial statements with the major currency, which is the Australian dollar. While TEN has subsidiaries and operating activities around the world, that was a noise rule for the management to deal with. Another point is accounting choices, which been done by the management when the company planned to launch new channel. They had to raise money by either increasing equity or borrowing debt. In 2009, they decided to issue 120 million shares. Now we will go through the 6 steps analysis for accounting choices. Because owning TV license is the most important point in broadcasting company, we will discuss that in details. TEN considers the license under intangible asset with infinite life. In fact, the company had two options: either consider the license finite life, therefore they have to amortize the license, or the other option, as the management does, consider it with infinite life. Then, an impairment has to be done annually. Actually, management's choice considered as a red flag because it reflects an overvalued number comparing to their competitors. While Spectrum license in Australia expired every 15 years, therefore TV license for TEN Holding Limited better be finite than amortized annually. To avoid any distortion from impairment, analysts have to undo accounting distortion. that will reflect the real value. Then we can compare with other companies. Thank you for your pay attention. I hope that I covered all the points, and I hope my effort goes with your satisfaction.